Way too many people get this question wrong. It's really unacceptable. It's a number 4. It's supposed to be easy. And the reason you get it wrong is you don't do the work. So this is a case where, yes, we do have variables and equations, but we also have a description of what's going on that allows us to come up with numbers. So I'm going to call this an arithmetize question. Even though there is only one number that you can arithmetize. Normally we just can pick any number, but the question tells us what to do. So maybe it's more about following instructions, but the idea is this is a lot safer if we have a number. And look at what it says. The number of states that joined the United States between 1776 and 1849 is twice the number of states that joined between 1850 and 1900. If 30 states joined the United States between 1776 and 1849, so this is 30. They're telling you kind of after the fact, after the description, what the number is. So 30, just kind of replace this. 30 is twice this other number, which they're saying is x, right? So 30 is twice x. Now, we can just then go to the choices and kind of come up with the equation based on that. If you know how to read algebra from sentences, that's kind of what we can do here. But it is safer to just say, okay, well, 30 is twice what number, right? What's half of 30? Well, it's 15. So x is 15. And once we have a number for x, we can just take that number and put it into all the choices and just see which one makes sense, right? Choice A, 30 times 15 is equal to 2? No freaking way. But 2 times 15 is equal to 30? Yeah, that seems pretty good. Choice C, 15 divided by 2 is equal to 30? No. And then choice D is really bad. 15 plus 30 is equal to 2. Makes no sense. And so B is the answer. And look, yes, you might have gotten that without doing all this arithmetizing. I get it. But having done this for so long, I know where people make mistakes, and this is the kind of thing that maybe you didn't make a mistake this time, but another time you might. And so you really want to look at it as, okay, if you're making a mistake on 5% of these kind of easy questions, every time you get one right, that shouldn't count in favor of your confidence, right? It's more about the wrong should make you see like, okay, you don't know where that 5% is going to be, right? You don't know which questions are going to be that 5% that gets you. So you need to treat every question like it might be part of that 5% so you can hopefully prevent all those mistakes because you're careful on everything. It's really, at the end of the day, the SAT math at a certain point, at a certain score, becomes less about skill with math and more about carefulness. So kind of 650 and above, there's an element of knowledge, but it's really just about being really careful. And so if you lost points on something like this and that's what your score is, then this is where you need to focus. Slow down, do the work, guarantee the points, and you'll increase your score.